how to solve this type of sums. Okay, first of all, the question is E denote the base of the natural logarithm, and we have to find the value of this limit such that A is non-zero real number, and we have to find the value of A. How to find the value of A? First of all, let's see one thing. We know that limit x tend to 0, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x equal to E. So accordingly, this is coming e to the power minus 1. Okay. Therefore, this is e to the power minus 1 minus e to the power minus 1. So numerator 0, denominator also 0. So it is 0 by 0 form, so limit valid. So I am showing you how nice the sum it is and how to apply the series in this sum. So I am solving the sum. First of all, let y equal to 1 minus x whole to the power 1 by x. So log y equal to 1 by x log of 1 minus x. Therefore, if we apply the logarithm series, log of 1 plus x is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus, so and log of 1 minus x, all terms are negative. So minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus x to the power 4 by 4 up to infinity. Now if I divide by x, so minus 1 plus I am writing, actually all terms are negative, so I am writing minus 1 plus, this is if I cancel this x square by 2 by x, so minus x by 2 minus x square by 3 up to infinity. Let us consider this as z. Let us consider this total thing is z. So what is coming? It is minus 1 plus z. So we are getting log y we have taken. So y equal to e to the power minus 1 plus z, that is e to the power minus 1 into e to the power z. It means everybody this portion is e to the power minus 1 into e to the power z, where x tend to 0 means z tend to 0. Okay, x tend to 0 means z tend to 0. So let's apply this limit. So it is coming, I am writing this next here. So this is instead of 1 minus x whole to the power 1 by x, I am writing e to the power minus 1 into e to the power z. So let's write limit x tend to 0 plus e to the power minus 1 into e to the power z minus e to the power minus 1 by x to the power a. This limit exists non-zero. What is the value of it? Okay, so let's start. Limit x tend to 0 plus e to the power minus 1 e to the power z minus 1 by z into z by x to the power a. So in the previous, what is z? Everybody, this is z as x tend to 0, so z tend to 0. Okay, so I am writing now this as 1 e to the power z minus 1 by z. This is coming to be 1. So this is coming to be 1. So we are getting what? Limit x tend to 0 plus e to the power minus 1. Now I have to put the value of z, and the answer of the limit should be non-zero real number. So let's see. What is z? Z is this, everybody. This is z. Minus x by 2 minus x square by 3. So I am putting here. So we are putting here minus x by 2 minus x square by 3 minus x cube by 4 till infinity divided by x to the power a. Just to understand, if a is 1, because we have to cancel this x. If a is 1, so denominator is coming x. Okay, just see one thing. If a is 1, then denominator is coming to be, this denominator is coming to be x. If it is x, so x cancel, so it is coming minus half plus all term containing x, and x tend to 0, all are coming 0, right? Therefore, answer is a equal to 1. Suppose if a is 2, then what will happen? If a is 2, then it will be x square. Now if we divide this x part by x square, denominator is coming 0, limit does not exist. इसका मतलब a should be 1 to give you the non-zero number. Okay, so I am putting here a equal to 1. So that's all, everybody.